If you're watching this video, I already know you're greedy, but let's get into it. I'm going to show you how I made these honey sriracha glaze wings. Now, I did clean my wings with sour orange, lime, and salt, and I let it marinate overnight. Be sure to cut some slits into your chicken so it can absorb everything. Now, like I tell you in every video, all of the ingredients and measurements are going to be in the description box, but I'm showing you here some brown sugar, as well as some garlic powder, the sriracha sauce, which is the star of the show, sesame oil. I have some soy sauce as well. I had a little bit left, so I ended up using the remaining soy sauce that I had. Rice vinegar, parsley. You can use fresh parsley if you would like, or you can use the parsley that I'm showing you in this video. Now, this is optional, but I also garnished my chicken wings with some sesame seeds, baking powder, because this is going to be some baked wings, paprika, onion powder. I did not feel like dicing garlic, but if you would like, you can definitely dice some garlic and incorporate it in your ingredients. Now, this is my seasoning for my chicken. You see that small Maggi cube, chicken Maggi cube. I almost forgot to show y'all the honey, of course. In this small little plate, I have my chicken Maggi cube, baking powder, garlic, and onion powder, black pepper, as well as some paprika. And I'm like, girl, you got gloves on. Just go ahead and crush up the chicken Maggi cube. Now, I always would advise anyone that's cooking chicken, especially, or any type of meat, to just go ahead and mix all of your seasonings together and add some oil to it, especially if you're going to bake it, so it can stick to your choice of meat. So after I mixed up my ingredients, my seasonings, I added the oil. I'm just going to give it a real good mix. Now, after tasting it a little bit, I was like, you know what? This could definitely use some complete seasoning, and that made everything taste so much better. Of course, as a true Haitian, I believe in parboiling meat. And then you see me adding my seasoning to my chicken, making sure everything is well coated and in there. And that's why I say add slits to your chicken, because it can absorb all the seasonings. I did place my chicken wings onto a baking rack, but you don't have to if you don't want to. You can place it on some aluminum foil, on a pan, place some aluminum foil, and yeah, it's your choice. And so I did add my additional seasonings to make my sauce, to make my sriracha glaze actually, and it came out so good. And later on, you're going to see that I make the sauce twice, and this is for those who like an extra wet like type of wing. Now, that was me adding ginger, because I'm like, honey and ginger go well together, so I just added some. Of course, halfway through, I did flip my wings and make sure everything was well baked, added my sauce, placed it back in the oven, and then here you see me making my second sauce. And this is the outcome. Now, this is the wings that aren't garnished, and here are the wings that are garnished, and it came out so good. I truly recommend this recipe, 10 out of 10. Let me know if you end up trying it and how you like it.